कुंकळी आयडीसीतले उद्देगीक सिवेजीचेर प्रक्रिया करून ते उदक स्टील कारखान्यां खातीर तशेंच आयडीसीतले उक्त्या जाग्यांचेर झाडांची लागवण करून तांचे खातीर वापरपाचो प्लॅन. प्रायोगीक तत्वाचेर केल्ले हे प्रयोगाक येसूं येता. पळोवया हो स्पेशल रिपोर्ट.
कुंकळी आयडीसी प्रदूषणा खातीर तशेंच फिश मिलांचे घाणीचे वासा खातीर फामाद आसा. मात आतां गोंय सरकाराच्या यत्नाक लागून तशेंच आयडीसीतले उद्देगांचे सहकार्याक लागून सिवेजीचे उदकाचेर प्रक्रिया सुरू जाल्या. सीमेक्स सारकिल्ल्या नुस्तें एक्सपोर्ट करपी कंपनीक ईटीपी म्हळ्यारूच एफ्लुएंट ट्रीटमेंट प्लांट सुरू केला. सिवेजीचेर प्रक्रिया करून ते नितळ उदक वापरपा खातीर योग्य जाला.
कॅपॅसिटी आसा आमची कोल्ड. सो आतां आमी न्यू यूज करता की नुस्तें कमी आहा न्हू. एक जाल्यार मागीर 3-2 आसा आमची ती यूज करता.
तुम्ही कितें कितें एक्सपोर्ट करतात? खंयचे नुस्तें?
आमी बांगडे आनी स्क्वीड, कटल फिश, रिबन फिश, हॉर्स मॅक्रल जो आमकां हिंगा मेळटा आमगे अरेबियन सी ते आमी एक्सपोर्ट करता आमी.
Okay. Which are the countries you export?
Sorry?
Which are the countries you export?
Like Thailand, Malaysia, Indonesia, China. Most of these countries are so नुस्तें हिंगा आसा आमगे.
Including Peru, you said?
Peru, yeah. Peru only sardine. Sometimes we get sardine. So that will go for the tuna feeding. For there, yeah. Fix that.
First of all, we take effluent from the sump over there at the second gate over there. That effluent is pumped over here into the storage tanks. Come here, I'll show you this country. Storage tanks. It is pumped out, it is pumped inside this, and this is the flow meter. It is showing a reading now. This is the flow meter. This is the flow meter. And it is showing reading of 3.92. From here it is pumped over there.
There are two types of aeration tanks. One is called aerobic and one is called non-aerobic bacteria.
Yeah.
This aeration tanks is mostly designed in the aerobic form. Non-aerobic plants, they give lot of methane, hydrogen sulfide gas. Because of the, if they supply oxygen, they will die. The bacteria will die.
Okay.
But in aeration tank, in aerobic process, if you supply air, the bacteria will live. They will multiply. They will grow. They will eat the decomposed manure from our ETP plant and make the water as pure as possible. How much time you give for them to eat this material is very, very important. So the retention time in the aeration tank is very, very important for the working of a plant. So it's very, very important to have a very good design aeration tank and a settling tank. And the feed should be maintained constantly to the aeration tank. Also we have the test report from this water. So I can show you the test reports. And also last week we have also taken the report on this water. So the water we are normally using for my cooling tower, my boiler, my indoor washing, and for the plantation. I have a very big plantation outside, but which the IDC and in-house plantation, which is almost 1,200 square meter.
Okay.
So all this plantation, what you will see, is from my cultivated from my own water, and they give a very, very good yield, and they are very, very healthy also. If you see the plants, they look like they are very, very healthy.
This plantation जे हांगा कितें केल्लें आसा तें सगळें खरें म्हणल्यार अभिषेक परिमल म्हणून आमगेलो MD पळय आसा ताणें एकच ऑर्डर काडली की ऑल ओपन स्पेसीक झाडां घालपाक जाता. लोक हांगा पयलीं IDC लोक म्हणटाले तुमी ओपन स्पेसीक झाडां घालूंक शकनात, ओपन स्पेस आनी कितें करपाक जाता. पूण ताणें ऑर्डर काडून म्हजी नांवार दिली की तुका जाय तांकां दी झाड लावपाक. आणि त्यामुळे आज आम्ही मियावाकी स्टाईल फॉरेस्ट करपाक ठरयलां सगळे कडेन. आणि इफ दिस हॅपन्स इट विल बी अ ग्रेट सक्सेस.
There you are not
Yes to no.
Container also is at -40.
This is the loading, madam. So it's ready to ship now. Second आले रेफर करता आम्ही बाकी लोडिंग चालू आमची डायरेक्ट शिपिंग चालू होता.
Cooling tower, I use lot of water in the cooling tower. So make us use to give this. So now let's wait for the start.
ब्युरो रिपोर्ट गोमंतक टीव्ही.